This is the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019. If you need to replace the cabin air filter, it's pretty easy doing these cars. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. You need to open the glove box, and then there is no need to remove the glove box. Here is the cover for the air filter. It says air filter here. So you just need to take off this cover, and here is the air filter box. It's not that easy to show what to do, but I'll try. So here you have the lock. Doesn't want to focus. That you need to squeeze and then take out this cover. Here is the lock. You need to squeeze these two plastic things, and here is the filter. Just take it out. Oh my god, it's so dirty here, but I have no replacement right now, so I will take it out the other time. But anyway, when you are done, you replace the filter, and then you can install this plastic cover here. You have a plastic tongue that you need to put there and just lock it in place. Here it click, and that is all. Actually, this air filter cover, plastic cover, is pretty tricky, and it will require some effort to put in correctly, because this lock doesn't want to go in, so you will need to apply some power. Unfortunately, that's hard to do with one hand, so I will do that off camera, but here is how it works, and you can replace the cabin air filter in the Kia Soul EV without any help and without paying money for that.